Namaste students, today our topic is natural guardian of a Hindu minor. The natural guardian of a Hindu minor in respect of the minor's person as well as in respect of the minor's property, excluding his or her undivided interest in joint family property. Natural guardian of a Hindu minor in the case of a boy or an unmarried girl, the father and after him the mother, provided that the custody of a minor who has not completed the age of 5 years shall ordinarily be with the mother. In case of an illegitimate boy or an illegitimate unmarried girl, the mother and after her the father. In the case of a married girl, the husband, provided that no person shall be entitled to act as the natural guardian of a minor under the provision of this section. If he has ceased to be a Hindu, or if he has completely and finally renounced the world by becoming a hermit or an ascetic. Explanation in this section, the expression father and mother do not include a stepfather and a stepmother. Section 7, natural guardianship of adopted son. The natural guardianship of an adopted son who is minor passes on adoption to the adoptive father and after him to adoptive mother. Powers of natural guardian. Section 8. The natural guardian of a Hindu minor has power, subject to the provision of this section, to do all the acts which are necessary to reasonable and proper for the benefit of the minors or for the realization, protection or benefit of the minor's estate. But the guardian can in no case bind the minor by a personal covenant. The natural guardian shall not, without the previous permission of the court, mortgage or charge or transfer by sale, gift, exchange or otherwise any part of the immovable property of the minor, or lease any part such property for a term exceeding 5 years or for a term extending more than 1 year beyond the date on which the minors will attain majority. Any disposal or immovable property by a natural guardian in contravention of subsection 1 or subsection 2 is voidable at the instance of minor or by any person claiming under him. No court shall grant permission to the natural guardian to do any of the acts mentioned in subsection 2 except in the case of necessity or for an evident advantage to the minor. The Guardians and Wards Act 1890 shall apply to and in respect of an application for obtaining permission of the court under subsection 2 in all respect as if were an application for obtaining the permission of the court under section 29 of that act, and in particular proceeding in connection with the application shall be deemed to be proceedings under that act with the meaning of section 4A. The court shall observe the procedure and have the power specified in subsection 2, 3 and 4 of subsection 31 of that act, and appeal shall lie from any order of the court refusing permission to the natural guardian to do any of the acts mentioned in subsection 2 of the section 2, the court to which appeals ordinarily lie from the decision of that court. Court means the city civil court. Thank you so much.